Good morning children, and today we are going to start in this session your lesson number 3, that is before the match. And today we are going to concentrate on the first glossary. Glossary first meaning is peace of mind. Read that one by one. Peace of mind means what? A state in which one feels calm and quiet, not worried, means no worry to take any tension. And crash. Crash means what it is? Defeat someone very badly in a game. Someone we are going to overwin on the opposite teams. That means what? Trash. And next, anxiety. Anxiety means worry or fear about something. Tate. Swami is given the nickname Tate for the famous English fast bowler Maurice Tate. Maurice Tate is an English fast bowler. His name is given to the Swami as a nickname. And fortnight. Fortnight means what? 2 weeks. And next one is contrary to the custom. That means what? Different from what usually happens every day. Every day what is going to happen, that will be different that day. That is called what? Contrary to the custom. And the edges of their dhotis were folded and turned up so that they were held in a place. Dhotis will be folded. That is called what? Tucked up. Muttering, saying something in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear, especially when you are annoyed. Muttering means what? If we are angrily something we are going to tell for someone, that is called muttering. And became desperate. Tried something when everything else had failed. Became desperate means something failed, that it is called is became desperate. Next, persuade. Persuade means followed or chased someone. Oath, a word or a phrase that is used to express anger, surprise, shock, etc. Oath means what? Suddenly we are going to show some shock and sudden feelings we are going to show. That is called what? Oath. Next, delirious. Delirious means what? A state of excitement when you can't think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. That is called what? Delirious. Sometimes we are feeling mentally what? A distress. That is called delirious. And scouting, activities related to an organization called the Scout Association. Usually it is held in schools and colleges, and it was originally meant for boys to train young people in the practical skills and involve them in many activities like camping. For the activities they are going to held in a camping camp they are making, and together in a camp all the members of the camp they are going to do some works for the society. That is called what? Scouting. And off late. Off late means in recent time. Next, choke. Choke means what? Make it difficult for someone to speak because they do not have enough air. And examine. Looked at someone or something closely to see if there was anything wrong. Something is wrong or what? We are going to cross check. That is called what? Examine. And in the pink of health. Be in very good health. In the pink of health means having a good health. And to get rid of, that is called what? To free yourself of something that is annoying or causing a problem. Anything if you are causing a problem, that is called what? To get rid of. Next, prosecuted means charged with a crime in a court of law. These are the glossaries, words, word meanings. You have to concentrate on that when you have free time. And write it in your CW also before writing the question answer of lesson number 3. And here is the lesson before the match. It is written by R.K. Narayan and was an Indian writer who was among the 3 most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In English, Indian writing English, who have introduced as a first famous writing R.K. Narayan. And in his first novel Swami and Friends. What is his first novel is Swami and Friends. He described the adventures of group of school boys in India in 1930s. He explained about the Swami and Friends. 1930s. R.K. Narayan has written what? Swami and Friends. That is one of the famous novel written by R.K. Narayan. What he explained in that? He explained in that the adventures of school boys, that too of 1930s, means before the free India. And extract from the Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. What happened? The match will be there, cricket match, that too after 2 And Rajam lost all peace of mind and he felt confident that his team could thrash YMU. What happened? Rajam is a schoolboy and he had lost his peace of mind. He was in a worry. Why? Because he felt confident little he was team and thrashed to YMU. YMU, this is also Young Cricketer Club of that local club. That means YMU. And he himself could be depended upon to not to let down the team. He is not ready to let down the team. Mani was a steady if unimpressive. Mani also one of the boy of the friend of Rajam and he was also in the cricket club. And he could be depended upon to stop with his head if necessary any ball. He is also good bowler and his batting was not bad. Mani's batting was not bad. There was only one player who caused him to deepest anxiety day and night. On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. Whatever, but Rajam has a mighty responsibility, whole and soul. Whatever cricket team members are there, players are there, that whole and soul he has to concentrate for practice and all. He wanted to call all the boys to practice in the evening. And he was a Tate of the team. One of the greatest person will be there in the group. He is called as what? Nickname also they kept for the boy, that is Tate. And he looked uncertain. He looked different from others. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. Whatever, one of the responsible person is there in that group. But he was called as Tate, the famous English best bowler. But his little carelessness he was showing towards the match. But his name is what? Swami. Swami, Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. What Rajam is going to plead for the Swami. What he said, see, please do try to have at least an hour's practice. 1 hour at least daily, 1 hour you should practice with us. Certainly Rajam, if you can suggest a way. What happened? Swami is going to get the suggestion from the Rajam. You only give me one idea how do I have to come and join with you. And why not tell your headmaster that? Rajam is telling, why you are not telling your school headmaster? I am going and scouts guides were there, scouting was there evening for practice for the Swami. But evening only cricket practice will be there in the ground. But how he can manage? That is why Rajam is giving an idea to the Swami. You should convince your school headmaster and come and join with us. But what the Swami is replying, oh, no, Swami Nathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion. You have given a suggestion that is very grateful for me. But but let us not to think of that man. You should not think about that man. I cannot convince the headmaster. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. But what the Rajam is replying to the Swaminathan, I don't care about your problems and all, but he wants that he has to have good practice. But you should have a good practice with us in the ground. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. What happened? If any person will come instead of you, I cannot see again your face. Be careful, you should come and practice with us. Who is going to tell? That is Rajam is going to tell Swaminathan. And next what is going to happen? Just 7 days before the match, just 7 days will be there for the match. Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Only 7 days left to the match. That time Swaminathan is realizing how precious these 7 days. Then he realized he has to give concentration on the practice for cricket. As soon as the evening bell rang, school bell, and he lined up with the rest in on the drill ground. Scouting was there, drill ground was there, and all the students were going there. But contrary to the custom, he had not been taken off his coat and cap. What happened? Daily he was carrying coat and cap to the drill ground. But today, what is going to happen? He did not have that cap and coat. All the others wear their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. What happened? His dhotis were tucked up. It was rounded. It was not in a neat manner. The drill master stopped before him. The drill master was walking. Suddenly he stopped before him. Before him means what? Who is him refers to here? Him refers to Swaminathan. And looked him up and down. He was looking up and down. Up and down, up and down. Why? Because there was no coat and cap that day. And passed on muttering. He was angrily something he was shouting for Swaminathan. You won't get leave. What he wanted to think? The scoutmaster is telling to Swaminathan, he won't get leave today. Coat and cap off. There is no coat and cap today. Means that drill master is realizing the Swaminathan is coming to ask me leave. That is why he said what? There is no leave today. Swaminathan became desperate and persuaded, feeling very bad, and said angrily, he was telling him what? Sir, I am in terrible state of health. What happened? My health is not good in condition. I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do. If I am doing drill, I can die today. That is why I won't leave. Who is going to ask this? Swaminathan is telling to his drill master. The drill master had come to the last boy, yet Swaminathan was dogging him. What happened? The drill master had come to last boy. He was going. He was muttering and going. But Swaminathan is following the drill master. Dogging means what? Following. And he turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath. Very angrily he was going to tell, what is the matter with you? What is the matter with you? Why you won't leave? These all questions are asking by drill master to the Swaminathan. Understand children? Next session we should continue the next lesson.